Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily GEX Bible. How you all doing? I'm Sarah. It's Wednesday, May 13th, 9:40 a.m. Eastern T. Here with Eric for the SPX opening bell structural read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. Everything you're about to hear is a structural read of SPX GEX data. Education only, not financial advice.
Right. Not your advisor, no recommendations, your own risk. Sarah, take it away.
Eric, what's the structural read this morning?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is +50 owners million, regime is positive. Spot is 7,389, above the flip at 7,380.
How does that translate to the tape?
Means dealers are damping moves and the walls have teeth. That's the through line for the whole session.
On the levels panel, what stands out?
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 7,400 and 7,415. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 7,389. You can see a put wall stack at 7,380 and 7,375 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
Range to watch is 7,380 to 7,400.
That's the box, Sarah. Watch the first wall test.
What's the one thing you're watching for?
Price reaching 7,400. In strong positive gamma, the call wall fades, unless GEX expands meaningfully through that strike, which would tell me the structure is breaking.
Walk me through bear and bull.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 7,380 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 7,370. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 7,400 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 7,410. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
Worth saying, those are structural predictions, not trade calls. Eric isn't telling you to do anything.
Right. Read the structure yourself. Trade your own risk.
All right, morning read done. Recap drops after the close. Anything to add, Eric?
Trade your own risk. The dealer has to come back and come back and come back. We'll see you at 4:30.
Like and subscribe if this helps you read SPX structure. All right, everyone, stay sharp out there. Goodbye. See you this afternoon.
And to close out, a thought. Charm is the dealer's clock. Every minute closer to expiry, yesterday's hedge becomes a stale one. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.